Good morning students, this is grade 3, your science book, and today we are going to do our chapter number 3 exercises, the human body. So let's turn to page number 26 in your science book. The first one is tick right the correct answers, which is MCQs, multiple choice questions. Okay, here you'll have to tick right the correct answer. The sense organ that enables us to feel is the skin. Okay, you can smell from the nose, you can listen anything, or you can hear something from your ear, you can see something from your eyes, but your skin is something that makes you feel something. Okay, number 2 is the skeletal system works along with the muscular system. Next is the circulatory system. Circulatory system moves blood. Okay, sweat comes out from the skin. Okay, urines come out from the other part of the body, but blood is something that is circulated by the circulatory system. Okay, and 4, this is something else. The brain is protected by the skull. Waste food is thrown by the anus. Okay, the B1 is fill in the blanks. The group of organ are called groups of organs are called organ system. Next is the nervous system. The nervous system controls the body. A human body has 206 bones. How many bones do you have in your body? 206. Okay, always remember. The heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. Okay, circulate कौन करता है? Heart. Heart is the main organ of circulatory system. We breathe in air that is rich in oxygen gas. So which gas do we breathe in? We breathe in oxygen gas. And what gas do we breathe out? We breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay. So students, now let's turn to the question answer. First one is name the 6 human organ systems that you have read about in this chapter. So the 6 organ systems are nervous system, skeletal system, circulatory system, breathing or respiratory system, digestive system, and reproductive system. Okay, now let's see the second one. List the names of sense organs and senses. So there are 5 sense organs in human body, and the sense organs and sense are following. Okay, the sense organs and senses are as follows: eyes, seeing; ears, hearing; nose, smelling; tongue, tasting; and skin, feeling. The third one is which organ system controls the whole body and how many parts it is made up of. So the nervous system controls the whole body and it is made up of the brain and nerves. Next is describe the process of digestion. Draw a label diagram. So here you'll have to draw the diagram as well. This is the picture. Okay, it is given on page number 24. So this is the diagram of digestive system, which is very important for you to understand and draw in your notebooks. Okay, so complete it and you'll have to label these names as well. So the digestive system is made up of the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, and anus. The food is eaten from the mouth and then it reaches to the stomach, passing through from food pipe. Okay, the digestive juices in the stomach breaks down food and the food travels to the small intestine and the waste travels through the large intestine. Then it comes out from the anus. It's out. Okay, it's out, comes out from the anus. The fifth one is name the organs of excretory system. So lungs, kidneys, and skin are the organs of excretory system. The last question is what are 3 waste in human body and what body parts send out from the human body. So lung breathe out carbon dioxide, the kidneys get rid of the wine, and the skin releases the sweat. So these all are the question answers. Okay students, total 6 question answers were given here, and you'll have to complete the whole exercise and question answers of this chapter. So students, understand this chapter, complete your work and learn it, and have a nice day.